Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Leo! Welcome back! At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo! At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Okay? So today, alamin natin kung ano ang energy, collective energy na masasagap ko for Leo, and this will be a special reading for Valentine's Day. So tingnan natin ano yung overall energy ng reading na to. Habang binabalasa ko, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel na to. And sa mga bago, supportan niyo naman po by liking this video. Okay. And subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel para mag-grow siya. And para mabasahan ko pa kayo ng marami pa love reading. Okay. Comment na lang kayo sa baba kung mag-resonate. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano yung overall energy ng reading na to. Second card for February. Beginnings. Okay. Mukhang may new love na paparating. So, beginnings, new beginnings, pwedeng rekindling of feelings. Ayan. So, kung in a relationship na kayo, pwedeng fresh start sa inyong connection. At kung hindi man, sabihin na yung bagong love na paparating. Pero tingnan natin yung detalye. Alamin natin yung detalye ng reading na to. Okay? And habang binabalasa ko, I hope na mag-resonate ng reading. And just a reminder na dahil nga collective reading ito, it may or may not resonate. Okay, so kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag nating pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong love reading na to. At kung gusto nyo naman ng personal reading, okay, pwede. Nasa description box yung email address ko. So, message nyo lang po ako. Alright? And, mag-set tayo ng personal reading. Okay, so, second card din. May natin, 7 of Wands. 3 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Temperance. 5 of Swords. 4 of Wands. Page of Coins. And last, Knight of Wands. Okay. Sige, so nag-start siya sa 7 of Swords. Nag-end siya sa Knight of Wands. And there's a strong energy of Sagittarius sa reading na to. Pwede ninyong zodiac ng person niyo, but doesn't have to. Ito lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, sige. So, si 7 of Wands is a card of overcoming challenges. Okay? So, kaya niyo bigyan siya. So, may challenges in the past sa connection nyo with your person. Okay? Pero, naayos nyo siya. And, ayun, na-overcome nyo yung phase na yun or yung challenge na naranasan nyo together. So, pwedeng conflict, pwedeng argument, pwedeng tampuhan, and pwedeng issues outside the relationship na naapektuhan yung relationship ninyo. Like, family matters or work. Ayan. Pero na-resolve nyo siya. Naayos nyo siya. As seen here. And dun sa 3 of Cups naman na dahil nga naayos nyo siya, so you're sharing these happy moments again together. So, and sa connection na to, alam niyo na mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Okay? Because Ten of Cups is a card of love. Para siyang similar energy with the Lovers card sa Major Arcana. So, there's so much love in this connection. There's so much stability. And you're really at peace with this person. Kahit na may mga conflicts, naayos nyo nga. And now, in the new phase, it's a new beginning na na-experience nyo ngayon together. It's giving you peace. Okay? Alright. However, may challenge ulit na paparating. Magkakaroon lang ng conflict between the two of you. But again, I can see that it's just a minor conflict. Something na similar siguro. So, may mga issues kayo in the past na pwedeng recur. Okay? Maulit. Lalo na kung outside factors siya na kung about work, about family matters. So, na naapektahan yung relationship ninyo. So, a minor conflict may arise. But again, as shown here with Four of Wands, mare-resolve nyo siya. And there will be kasi Four of Wands is also a card of reunion, meaning if nagkaroon ng conflict, syempre there will be a bit of separation, magpapalamig muna ng ulo and all, but there will be reconnection and reunion between the two of you. Alright, and as shown here with the Page of Coins, again, that's also there's a sense of long-term commitment between the two of you, and very loyal naman kayo sa isa't isa. That's why lahat ng issues or lahat ng challenges na dumadating sa inyong dalawa is na re-resolve ninyo. Okay? And as shown here then with the Knight of Wands, that there will be very confident kayo sa isa't isa na lahat ng bagay na malalampasan niyo dahil una, mahal na mahal niyo isa't isa, dahil mahal na mahal niyo isa't isa, sinusuportahan niyo yung isa't isa. Okay? And very confident kayo na you can rely on each other, and alam niyo yung feeling na hindi alam kung maayos namin to, yung ganun na dahil mahal nga namin yung isa't isa. Very confident kayo sa love na meron kayo sa isa't isa, kaya yung whatever issues hindi niya maapektuhan yung relasyon. Okay? So, ano nga ba? Sige nga, clarify natin ano ba yung challenges ninyo. Is it sa relationship ninyo or something outside? And nagkakaroon lang ng naapektuhan na yung relasyon niya. So, sige, second card. Five of Pentacles. Okay. So, in the recent past, so yung may possible na related nga siya sa work or something about the finances. Okay? Your finances as a couple, as partners, or pwedeng yun nga, merong nagtitipid-tipid, parang kumari, ito na yung nasagap kong energy at the moment na kumari gusto nyo mag-date or gusto nyo, di ba, as a couple, mag-celebrate, for example, ng Valentine's, pero di ba, medyo short sa budget, ganyan. So, parang, pero na-resolve nyo nga na pwedeng, sige, ito na lang gawin natin dahil wala nga tayong budget, ganyan. And tingnan natin naman yung isang conflict na paparating o the moon. So, the moon is, yun nga, may mga, okay. So, meron lang na siguro may hindi lang sinabi, either ikaw or siya, na eventually parang ma-reveal lang na, ay, but yung alam mo yun na parang, oh, bakit hindi mo sinabi? Ba't ngayon, or bakit ngayon mo lang sinasabi? Yung mga ganun, tapos magsisimula na yun ng argument na, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Siyempre, magkakaroon ng explanation and all. But again, maayos nyo naman to and it will be resolved. Kasi, mahal nyo yung isa't isa. So, di ba, lahat ng problema masusolusyonan. Okay, so sana resonate itong reading na to. Okay, kung nag-resonate man, comment kayo below ng beginnings, which is the overall energy of this reading. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng video. So, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. And dito lang yan, syempre, sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short, ang mismo. Ingat!